what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell.
Guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be taking you along on my last shift as a clinical social worker in the emergency department. I'm actually really excited. I'm bittersweet, but I'm really excited because at the end of this video, you will see my photo shoot that I'm going to be posting on my Instagram about my new job. And Monday, I'm going to be releasing a Get Ready With Me while I get ready for my orientation for my new job, which starts on the 3rd. I'm so excited. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and wish me luck on my new adventure. And follow my other platforms because I post very consistently on those as well. And guys, I hope you enjoy. I'm going in early because, as you know, I work night shift. However, I have an eyelash appointment, so now I have time to pick up Starbucks. I'm going to go to my eyelash appointment, and then I'm going to just go straight to work. But someday I'ma be big enough to do the things I want, and no one can tell me any different. I'll be up so high, loving every minute of life, living my life. Someday I'ma be big enough to do the things I want, and no one can tell me any different. I'll be up so high, loving every minute of life, living my life. Running it. I'ma do the someday, I'ma do the living my life. I'ma do the someday, I'ma do the living my life. Running round in circles, rolling rocks up hills. Light at the end of the tunnel, I can see it still. But you know I never thought that I'd be living this life for free. Yeah, someday I'ma be big enough to do the things I want, and no one can tell me any different. My patient was sent from the courts, so I am sending their evaluation and a release of information to the courts as well. As you guys see, this is HIPAA safe, and any documentation I'm going to be showing you is HIPAA safe because I've made it a normal template for you guys. No one can tell me any different. I'll be up so high, loving every minute of life, living my life. Running it. I'ma do the someday, I'ma do the living my life. I'ma do the someday, I am now coming back from seeing my patient, but since it's like 2:15 in the morning, I am tired and I'm about to go to Dunkin' because we have a 24-hour Dunkin' in my hospital and get me a little pick-me-up because I am super thirsty and I deserve it. And guys, like I said, everything you see is HIPAA safe. At the top of this, as you see, it says Motivated Mimi, just so you guys can see what I do and be a part of this evaluation with me. Well, I'm gonna change my mind. Nobody can tell me how to live my life. Living my life. Now that I'm on break, I'm about to go find a place to make some TikToks, and then I'm going to eat my dinner, or lunch, or breakfast, or whatever you want to call it, because I work at night. But I ran into you yesterday, and you never saw it coming, baby. I knew you knew what I thought. Did you leave or not? You said that you meant to, but you forgot, and I never saw it coming. Should have been so easy, but I feel incomplete thinking about you. Yeah. And I would just let you. I ordered
order factor meals because I work a lot and I do not have enough time to really cook. A lot of times I'm working double since I knew that for a while that I was going to be losing my job. So since there's a lot of incentive pay, I just been picking up a lot, and this is easy. Boom, throw it in the microwave and you're done. Now I'm just showing out some merch that a friend got me because they knew I was leaving. And here it is. I got my dream job in corrections. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm starting the 3rd. Now I'm just getting my husband to take some videos of me for my new intro. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stop by on Monday.